So I have this Spark
Frog. Spark create image.
Create Imagine
Frog.
hand puppet, which is squeaking and back to life now. But this video is to cover how to change the batteries, which apparently they don't support. So I have to do some work in order to reach out to the battery and then get them replaced. So here we go. So we are gonna flip the whole costume to locate the battery compartment, which apparently is on the mouth. So let's go there. So here's what it looks like. So this is the battery compartment. I flipped and basically tore one stitch to get access to the whole circuit, which is again concealed. So now I'm gonna open this case, which will give you access to the circuit and the battery compartment. Okay, so I'm gonna pull this out. Apparently this is a cover which can come out. So it looks like this after opening up. Another challenge is, usually these casings where the battery lies are sealed and not meant to be open. So what I did is I used a hot knife to cut open 3 sides so that it becomes a door, and it gave me access to this battery. These are standard button cells which are common for most of the toys, so it required 3 of them. I was able to take the old ones out and put this one, the new ones, in. Again, be careful not to get this whole thing off because it holds the battery. So now it's like a door. I can just push it in and hope it doesn't come out the batteries. Next step is to put this cover back. You can optionally put the cloth back, like you can stitch it back, but I'm not gonna do it. You are still able to access the toy well, and then yes, you got the batteries replaced. Hopefully this helped. I have not found anything else to demonstrate, but kind of found a way to change the batteries for a toy you love. So fun Sunday project which leaves my daughter happy. Bye.